Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and this is mega giveaway number 4, and I'm telling you, we got tons of watch faces to give away, and we still got more coming. We got some awesome watch face reviews, and you know, in Huck's world, we only care to bring you nothing but the very best in watch faces, and that's what we do. All right, so congratulations to the winners. Thank the developers for donating the watch faces, which is PW and My Gallery, and they're donating tons of awesome watch faces for you all. Now, we're trying to beast up our Canada connection as well as any other country. If you're from any other country, Canada, do me a favor. In the comment section down below, when you comment, put down what country you're from so I can put you on the list and I can get watch faces for those countries, and you too could be a winner as well. Cool? All right, let's go ahead. Let's make this quick and painless. Again, I want to congratulate all the winners. And if your name doesn't get called, trust me, ask anybody, it will eventually. Okay, so let's start off with PW 82 and 83. Right now, Walter Recessfield, if I haven't pronounced that right, is a winner, and I think that person is new on the channel. So welcome and congratulations. We got Orly. We want to thank him too for commenting and participating, and I think he's new as well. So welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe now. And we also got Sonja. Congratulations to you, McMillan. And we also have Jackie. Congratulations, Jackie. You guys are winners of the PW 82 and 83 watch face, which was awesome. If you have not checked out this guy's lineup, I'm telling you, check him out in the Gear Manager store. This guy gets down. All right, so the winner of the My Gallery is the developer. The winner of the Give Peace a Chance is going to be Scott Norris. We also got Daryl Gray. This is for the US, and we got David Talbot. Congratulations, you guys. And then we got, of course, for Canada, you heard the names. If I haven't pronounced the names are John Hurley, which is Trap Shooter, and Ronnie Miranda, and Steve Jordan. Congratulations, you guys. You guys know you get tons and tons of watch faces. It's going to be like Christmas for you all year. But if you know anybody else that want free watch faces, all you got to do is just comment, continue to comment, put their name of the country from where they're from in the comment section down below, and of course we will put them on the list. Now, the winners of the military gear 2, which was off the charts. I mean, the views are steady going up on that one. I'm surprised I don't have over 1,000 views for this one. Listen, if you haven't started, start sharing these videos with other people, because a lot of people don't know that these watch faces exist. Plus, it's going to help the channel. This watch face was one of the most unique watch faces I've seen in quite some time, and I've seen quite a few. Now, again, this is military 2. We only got a couple of winners for this one, and that's going to be Quasi and Kryptonia for the US. Congratulations, of course. Canada, you're in the building, you got yours coming. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment on all the videos. Share this on other social media platforms. And with that, I'm going to see you guys at the next video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, you all, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Peace out.